Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can sign in on Life360 app. For that, you need to install and update Life360 app from the Play Store itself. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified about the further videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the Life360 app. Here you are on the very first section of Life360 app. Then you need to tap on the sign in next to already have an account option here on the bottom of the screen, and then you'll be guided to this page where you need to enter your phone number. But before that, make sure you have added your code of your particular country. For that, you just need to tap on the code, and then from here you can search your country's code. Go back and you need to enter your number you want to sign in to this app. Once you have added your phone number, you need to tap on continue, and then you need to enter your password that you had set previously while creating this account. Once you have entered your password, then you need to tap on continue option, and then you can see that you have already signed in on the Life360 app. So this is it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and comment on the comment section about any queries you want to ask without hesitations. Thank you.